From the previous presentation, we have learned the importance and also issue of multiple biogeochemical cycle. First off is for nitrogen cycle. The importance of this is that nitrogens are gradually transferred back into the environment or aquatic system, and they are needed in many cell and processes, such as the synthesis of amino acid, proteins, and also our DNA. Secondly is that it is the basic energy molecule for living organism, as they are needed within the mitochondria. The effects, however, when nitrogen is excessive within the aquatic system, it may lead to multiple side effects such as ammonia toxicity and also nitrate toxicity. Ammonia toxicity increases the blood pH value of the organism, which may cause the imbalance in enzyme activity and hence reducing the membrane stability as well as growth. Whereas nitrate toxicity increases the body size of organism, water salinity, and also environmental adaptation, which may affect the natural evolution process. Second off is for the sulfur cycle. Sulfur are generally found as rock forms in volcano craters, which are eventually released into the nature through volcanic eruption. However, through mankind's activity, excessive sulfur has been released into the ecosystem, causing multiple side effects, such as forming acid rain, which may cause skin irritation. Secondly is that in healing, sulfur may irritate the respiratory tract and also lead to chronic heart disease. Third part is about phosphorus cycle. Phosphorus is important but are only needed in small amount, as shown in the Redfield ratio, in which phosphorus is only needed 1 as compared to 106 carbon needed. Second is that it acts as storage of nucleotides and also ATP. It is an essential element for sustaining marine life, as it induces rapid production of algae, which are highly important for coral, as they have a mutualistic relationship. This in turn stimulates the growth of plankton and aquatic plants. However, if phosphorus is exceeded, eutrophication may occur, which may cause a dead zone within the water mass, or when it is low, the productivity may be low, which causes the ecosystem to be unbalanced. The fourth part is about carbon cycle. Carbon cycle is generally incorporated to living organisms through photosynthesis of plants. When photosynthesis of plants, they are released back into the ecosystem through respiration, decaying of metals, and also burning of fossil fuel, which may release carbon dioxide. Carbon is the backbone of life and are needed in creating organic molecules. Hence, carbon cycle is one of the most important processes. However, when carbon is excessively released into the atmosphere, the high level of carbon dioxide concentration may trap heat within the atmosphere, hence causing the temperature to increase. Increase in temperature may cause multiple side effects, as one of them is that it affects the sex ratio of the population of certain organism. Example is that a high temperature during the hatching of turtle offsprings may produce female, while low temperature produces male offspring. The solution is by carpooling, reducing usage of fossil fuel, which we may in turn use renewable energy to replace it. Last part for the biogeochemical cycle is the silicon cycle. Silicons are important as diatoms have absolute requirements for silicon. Other algae may also require silicon, such as certain chrysophytes. Diatoms are the most important acidifying algal group in the marine water, as they are the dominating primary producer in the high production area of the ocean. Hence, silicon is a key factor to marine life. The next part is that factors controlling saltiness of seawater. saltiness of seawater are affected generally by environmental, such as weather or geographical composition. An area with high runoff of water, such as a river, may cause salinity to be low, whereas the location with high temperature, such as within summer, may cause evaporation rate to increase, which in turn causes the increase of salinity levels. Examples are the Baltic Sea and also the Red Sea. The last part is about the problem and importance of solids within the aquatic environment. The problem is that when the solids are suspended or dissolved solids are high within the water, the visibility becomes low, which reduces the penetration of sunlight and reduces the photosynthesis rate of plants, which causes the place to be unproductive and less organisms inhabit the area. Examples are from the waste product from mining, which causes the water to be murky and slowly suffocate the living organism. The importance is that there are many vital nutrients within these solids which are needed for organism, such as ammonium, nitrate, nitrite, and other elements. These elements may be transferred from the ecosystem into the aquatic environment through the biogeochemical cycle. Last but not least is that nutrients that are within the deep ocean may be transferred back to the surface water column through upwelling of seawater, which brings these solids from the depth to the surface. Thank you.